Hi, I'm Brad Jones with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty, here for another edition of Home Buying 101. Today we're going to talk about renting versus owning. This is one of the classic real estate questions, and the answer to that question is, it depends. Let's review a few pros and cons for each scenario. Let's start with renting. What are the pros? Well, it's less of a financial commitment. Rent plus a security deposit is a lower cost to get into the property. Maintenance and repairs are the responsibility of the owner or landlord, and it gives you some flexibility if you need to relocate. What are some cons to renting? Well, the landlord could raise your rent. There's limited ability to decorate the place as you might like, painting, things like that. No tax benefits if you're renting a property, and it doesn't build equity for you long term. Now let's talk about buying. What are the pros? Well, it can build equity for long-term financial growth. There are possible tax benefits. Check with your tax advisor to answer that question. The ability to redecorate and upgrade your home as you see fit. And stability. Predictable housing costs, no landlord to worry about. Those are all pros to buying a home. What are some cons? Well, there's a higher upfront cost. Down payment, closing costs, remodeling before you move in. There might be a lot more initial out-of-pocket expenses. Responsibility for all maintenance and repairs, and you are subject to market fluctuations. So, what's the summary? The decision to rent or buy depends on many factors and is unique to everyone. What's your time horizon? What kind of a financial commitment are you able or willing to make? Review all your options. Consult with your financial advisor and a knowledgeable local realtor to help determine which path is right for you. Thanks for watching.